All right, y'all. All right, here we go. Hey guys, what's up? Alana here. Welcome back to my channel. So I decided that I was going to try to sugar wax myself. Yes, don't know how this didn't work, but it didn't. And stay tuned to the end so you can see how it didn't, I guess. But sugar waxing is supposed to be a lot better than traditional waxing, and it's super easy to DIY at home, so they say. So I'm gonna still give you guys the recipe because all the recipes that I've looked at online said that this is right, but I think the issue was that I didn't wait for the wax to cool off as long as I should have, so it was still kind of sticky. I actually did go back in a couple of days later and the wax did actually end up working, but I thought that this fail was so funny that I wanted to share it with you guys. So basically the recipe is about 1 cup of sugar and then 1/4 cup of lemon juice and 1/4 cup of water. You're going to combine those ingredients in a saucepan over medium heat, stirring very frequently, like keep stirring it. You'll start to see the bubbles form, and basically the mixture is going to get like a caramel color. Don't let it get too brown or else it'll burn. Trust me, I did that before too, and it turned rock solid like a Jolly Rancher, okay? But basically, you're just gonna let this mixture bubble a little bit until it gets nice and caramel. Once the mixture turns that like honey caramel color, you can go ahead and pour it into a heat-safe container. I used just a glass mug. Now here's where I went wrong, okay? I left the mixture on the counter for like 15 minutes and then I tried to go from there and wax myself. Don't do that. Sit it in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes just to make sure that it gets nice and hard, and then you can use it, okay? So remember that, okay? If you make this recipe and you want it to actually work, remember that part, okay? Sugar wax is actually not supposed to be used hot or warm, and that's traditional wax. So it's not exactly cold wax, it's not exactly hot wax, it's just sugar wax, and we're going to take it for what it's worth. Hey guys, okay, so I have my wax now. You guys see it's all waxy. Oh, now I'm going to try to wax my underarms, okay? So I have these little strips here of natural muslin epilating strips by Gigi. Okay, I pay like maybe $4 for this, if that. And my camera is going to die soon. I'm trying to charge another battery. But I have been growing out my underarms for this specific purpose, so don't y'all try to judge me, okay? Okay, all right. So I grew out my underarm hair, okay? Now my underarms are very like dark on their own just because I have sensitive skin, which is why I need to learn how to wax myself. So we're gonna see if this sugar wax works. It's a little close-up action for y'all. Okay, here we go. All right, so my wax it's warm enough, okay? It's warm, it's not hot. And I'm going to put the wax in the direction opposite of my hair growth, okay? And then we're going to rip in the direction of the hair growth. So I kind of need the mirror too. All right, y'all. All right, here we go. Little sis. I guess I should have had one of these ready. Okay. All right. It's on. Rubbing it in. All right, we're gonna let it sit for a minute. All right, it's on there. Oh no, not my battery exhausted. Great. All right, y'all ready? Okay, it's on there, rubbing it in. Okay. Ready? Ready? Oh, shit. Ah! God damn it. It didn't work. It didn't even work. It's not even... Nothing on there. All right, I'm gonna do it one more time. All right, maybe I didn't rub hard enough. All right, there we go. And oh my gosh, nothing at all. Was this a big waste of time? Because I still look like a glazed hairy donut. What am I supposed to do with all of this? So I shaved my underarms, okay? Had to, because this wax wasn't working. I just put myself through so much unnecessary pain just now because I tried it on both of my underarms and neither one of them worked, okay? So boom, I done grabbed my trusty coconut oil and I grabbed my handy dandy razor and we got it done, okay? So for me, the sugaring is a fail. I don't know if my genes or my genetics are too, how they say, ethnic for this to work, but it didn't work on me. Okay, so I shaved and I wanted to show you guys like how my underarms look after I shave because I do have a lot of scarring under there from ingrown hairs. So I don't know, you guys, I really don't want to go back to like going to get it waxed. I thought I was gonna be able to wax them here myself, but it didn't happen. We're gonna have to figure something else out. I don't want to nair. Shaving is just like, you know, whatever, but I'm gonna be a werewolf again in like 3 days. That's how shaving works with me. Now I have to go shave the rest of my body, seeing as the wax doesn't work. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you found some joy in my fail, and make sure you subscribe for more videos. Thumbs up if you want to see me try more DIYs that I found on Pinterest. And yeah, until my next video, love you guys. Bye.